My pop-up sprinkler heads have been sinking and sprinkler coverage hasn't been optimal. I'll need to raise my heads. In fact, my heads have sunken so low it's difficult to find in my thick soy shalon. You can see from my measurements that the head is sunken about 1 3/4 inches. Now I didn't want to dig to raise my heads and I wanted a quick fix. I found this cool product called Kap-it at Home Depot. Kap-it allows anyone to raise their sprinkler heads from the top instead of from the bottom. Kap-it comes with a cap extender that snaps onto most common spray bodies such as Hunter and Rainbird. It also comes with a threaded stem extender. The kit from Home Depot comes with two 1.5-inch extenders. You basically can raise two heads. Now if your heads are sunken extra low, you can join the two caps together to raise your head approximately 3 inches. The stem extenders can screw together for a stacked application. Now you don't need any tools to install Kap-it, but a pair of shears to trim the grass around the sprinkler head and a Rainbird sprinkler pliers makes the job even easier. First, you want to clean up the grass around the sprinkler head. Now these shears are really handy. I got them off of Amazon. They're pretty cheap. It's spring loaded and it's easily operated with one hand. I'll put a link in the description. Next, pull up the pop-up stem and remove the spray nozzle. Now the Rainbird sprinkler pliers makes easy work in keeping the pop-up stem erect. Here I'm screwing on the stem extender. And next, I'm putting on the Kap-it cap extender. Go ahead and replace the spray nozzle. Once you got everything screwed together, simply press down and snap the Kap-it cap extender onto the spray body, and you're done. Now the spray head has been effectively raised. You can see the pop-up at its 4-inch operation. Nice. Here's the pop-up at its fully erect 4 inches, spraying its mighty stream. And this guy here needs a little help. He needs to be raised still yet. Now I give the Kap-it 5 stars for its ease and convenience. It was fast, I didn't have to dig. Now I have a lot of spare time to hang out with my family. If this content helped you any, I'd appreciate it if you press that like button. And please subscribe for more content like this. To the next one, as always, take care and aloha.